challenge. So basically we're going to do 5 minutes on the timer and we have to create the most beautiful, best castle you can. So Sophia's going to do her own one, I'm going to do my own one, and you yourselves have to judge whose is the best one. Obviously I think it's going to be me.
Obviously I think it's going to be
So we've also got a really cool one as well. We've got like pink sand, we've got chocolate smelling sand,
We've got
we've got
Playdoh,
pink, we've got metallic blue, and we've got metallic purple,
we've got Playdoh, and we've got this like
we've got castle bits,
we've got like this really
normal looking sand.
That looks like real sand, doesn't it? But
Yeah.
it doesn't feel like real sand though, because it's like because if you hold it up, it will just fall down really quickly. But this, because it's
these. So I've got 5 minutes on the clock,
that's so low.
and it will go off once we have to stop. And
it will
whatever has been done has been done.
Yeah.
Isn't that right, me?
I'm scared because I'm like.
So there's so many little things you can use. So are you ready?
No.
In 3, 2, 1, go. Right, so the timer is
I can't open the kinetic.
That's not kinetic sand, that's Play-Doh, girl.
Sorry, Playdoh.
Jesus. So this is really hard because you've got to like get it out somehow in the time that you've only got to get it out to start with.
Yes, I got mine out already.
We didn't want to cheat and have it all out, did we, Meeks? We wanted to make sure that we were actually doing it the best we can.
So in like over here.
Sophia's like looking at me like, what are you doing? Girl, I'm trying to get some sand out. That is all I'm trying to do right now.
Can I mix the colours? Because I might need to mix the colours.
I guess you could, darling. So, my one to start with,
Hang on.
I want some of this sand.
Hey,
Look at it.
nice.
So, basically,
Yeah!
if you literally, it starts dripping. Right, so my sand is going to be...
You're right.
Oh my goodness.
We've only got about hardly any more.
We haven't got long. So we've got 3 minutes and 47 seconds. So this is what we're actually doing.
I need to get all of this out, but it's hard. How did you get yours out? Oh, like
Just a bit of a tank sphere. Right, there's one of the castles. That looks pretty cute.
No, it doesn't.
It basically does.
Oh.
So I'm going to put some...
Oh, I need to do that.
I'm going to put some sand on here for the bridge.
I'm not going to copy.
Yeah, don't copy me. Just do your own thing. It's easy to make castles. Come on.
It's tricky.
Well, I mean, it's easy once you start doing something. You don't have to do the same. And then there's these little box...
Hey, you knocked mine
this
off.
little box.
She's a cheater.
Sorry, babes. So there's this little box that you can do, which I think is really cute.
Cheater.
It's just
Comment
gonna get
down
them
below.
out.
Comment down below if I was a cheater.
Right, so we've got 2 minutes and 45 seconds.
I'm
So
going slow and steady, but I can't.
sometimes, guys, slow and steady
Wins the race.
does not.
Have you ever heard of the tortoise and the hare? You're the hare and I'm the tortoise.
So I'm going to put some water. She's taken all the blue, thief. So I'm going to put the water that's going to go underneath the bridge and stuff around. Because there's normally like water, isn't there, when you've got to go over a bridge? Yeah, there is!
I'm going to take all this sand.
No, you can't take it all. That is unfair.
Yeah. No.
We've got a cheat going on here. So I'm going to take some of this sand.
Meeks!
Calm down! Oh my god! Biggs, you are going to lose, girl! We've got 1 minute and 54 seconds. A part of me feels like we need a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Maybe we'll add 2 more minutes onto the time. Because Sophia hasn't even done anything. I mean, what an half a job. She's, honestly, we've had too much chocolate this morning. I'm sure you've all been like that with Easter just happened. It's been cray.
I don't know if you watched the video where because we just literally put it up. We done a video where for how many chocolates can you eat
We did.
in like about 3 or 2 minutes.
Yeah, we did. It was cray.
We might need 2 more minutes onto this.
Sophia is honestly like a ball in the china shop. She always has been.
Oh my gosh, it's all falling on the floor. Ah!
I'm going to add 2 more minutes to the time because I think that we need that. Don't you, Meeks?
I need, where is it? Where is it? Over here.
Harry Potter!
Yay, that's very good.
I literally think she's grey. Thanks, babes.
I did not give that to you.
That's it. We've only got 2 more minutes added to it. After that, you're on your own.
Oh my gosh,
cool.
look at that. Do you like that?
Yeah, I think it's cute actually, Meeks. Your little tank.
I need to get all the pink off.
Right.
I want to like make a C.
This chocolate one is basically like the same as the massive one that Sophia's used. Her island is way bigger than the rest of anything else on her.
On Earth.
Oh my gosh, it's actually huge. Look at it.
It's bigger than England.
I
don't think it is.
Oh.
Comment down below if you know how big England is.
We're actually quite a really small island, to be fair.
Still got 2 minutes though.
No, we haven't.
Yes,
We've got
we
like
have.
a minute and 20 seconds.
I'm stealing all the chocolate. Sorry, Mummy.
Darling, you've stolen most of it. Right, that one's there. Thank gosh, finally. That one go there. Oh, my thingy's crumbling a bit awkward.
Mine is.
Right, next
Did you
one.
hear that, you guys? You guys, did you hear that?
Sophia's just been really clumsy.
You guys, did you just hear that? You guys, did you just hear that?
That's the sound of Mummy saying, yeah!
I'm trying to get like the scraps because Sophia's literally just put anything she can onto it.
Because
It's
I need
great.
to do effort.
So
Guys,
I'm
come
trying
on.
to get little scrapes. Oh my god, we've got 30 seconds. 30 seconds.
No, we haven't.
Yes, we have.
That looks like rubbish.
Meeks, you've literally used everything.
I'm making
Somebody help me.
Don't help her!
She's had way too...
No!
Oh my god, go. Stop.
I can't.
You gotta stop. Time is up.
Mine looks rubbish.
Oh my gosh.
I haven't even done this!
Let me take you round my one to start with. So my one, Sophia's tried to sabotage it at some point. So this is my beautiful castle. It's got the sea, some steps, a little castle here, the big castle at the back, and then little ones to the side. Pretty chuffed with that. I know it looks a bit cray, but that's because I had to deal with Sophia as well. So, on to Sophia's castle. Dun, dun, dun. Sophia was too busy being a bit cray, but do you want to talk us through your castle, Meeks? Why is there lots of bits on the vlog? Oh my gosh. What's this then?
So, that's nothing.
Oh,
but I
awkward.
am going to make it
So
be
what's
something.
this?
This is something.
No, your time is finished. What is this? What is this?
This is like a mini castle, and the pinkness is leading to that castle.
Okay, and this one?
This is like where all the, like, if someone tries to steal the castle, this is the castle.
Yeah.
And
Is that prison?
Yeah, that's the prison.
And you've got sea and...
This is the grass.
Yeah.
And the pinkness is just like where they walk on.
Okay.
It's like, because if the queen comes to see, well,
Yeah.
because the queen, it likes to have... Your...
Yes!
I'm gonna win!
I definitely
Can
think
I
I
tell you
won.
what this was?
Listen.
I need to tell you
What is
this
it? You just added to it, yeah?
So this is like where the queen so the queen is like coming in, and then it goes...
She goes on like a pink carpet, not a
Yeah.
red carpet.
On a pink carpet.
My one's cuter, I definitely think so. We hope you guys enjoyed!
you guys